Hello, I'm Mikel, and in this practice we have seen the Y delta starting. First of all, we will show you our panel. This is the motor circuit breaker. It protects the motor from overloads and short circuits. These are the fuses. They protect the input of the power supply from short circuits. And this is the circuit breaker. It protects the output of the power from overloads and short circuits. In the second row, there are 3 contactors and the timer. Finally, in the third row, there are the connector terminals. This kind of starting can be used with 3-phase AC motors, where all 6 leads of the stator are available. The main feature of this starting is that the peak starting current is divided by 3. Now we will press the start button and you can see this kind of starting.